Hey, morning guys. So guys, congratulations to those who followed the banker 24 yesterday. We had a banker which was 24, straight banker. So it was very easy for everyone. We could just say banker 1 to 49. Even though we were playing with 49 rand, you're going to get 1,000 rand. How much is, you're going to get something. It's not 1,000 rand if you're playing with 1 rand, but if you're playing with 5 rand, you were going to get how much? You were going to use 250 to make 1,000 rand, which was profitable. Because if the banker is correct, you don't have to struggle. Just check 1 to 49, and then the banker is 24. You are sorted. So guys, this is what it is, and I'm so happy because we used 2 strategies just to kill 1 draw. So now let us go. We're going to start with this one, which you guys are getting to know it, times 87. I'll never change this formula until it makes money and put money in our pockets. Okay, so when we say 87, we just say like 33 plus 22 times 87. You can even try do this in your calculator. Maybe sometimes I do make mistakes just to be accurate. Don't just follow, but you can always also do it. And then you're gonna get 1947. So which means our first chord is what? Is 1947. It's 1947. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to pick the numbers. And I'm going to also give you the banker when I'm done picking the numbers. So we have a 19 there. We have a 14. Oh, a 14 is dropped. So we're going to use this as a 41. We have a 47. And then we have what? I was going to pick the 17 there, but because of there is it played, so we're going to pick a 7 instead of a 17. We also pick a 49 in the middle there. We pick a 49, which can be also a 46. Then we're going to say we are done with the first chord, unless if it's this guy Daniel, he can split 1 9 4 7. That's what Daniel does. You know this guy, or China. Just be careful. These days UK49 is not splitting, so you can expect a split from any time from now, because they haven't been splitting. They've been playing different kind of pairs and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to also give you a 2 numbers plus bonus today, free, so you guys can see that my book really makes sense. If you study it, you can just get a book and then you don't study it. At the end of the day, the book will never move. It's like a car. You can come sit in the driver's side and expect the car to drive itself. It will never. You have to drive it. Then it's going to be driven. It's a simple thing. So there's nothing that will just come like from Imana from heaven, like just like that. Even if you pray, but you have to take action. You pray to God that you need to get a job. And then after that, you make your CV, you go look for a job. You cannot just sit at home and pray and say, I need a job. He will never give it to you, because he does not want anyone who does not want to participate. I'm just trying to correct this phrase of like, you buy a book, then you sit on top of the book. At the end of the day, you say, I don't know how to break a code. I don't know what is a blue code, what is a bank, what is an odd, what is an even number. You see, but you have the information. It's very easy. It is very, very easy. So you guys, you have to follow exactly what I do. Put it into practice. Okay, then we're going to go to the banker strategy now. I'm going to say 38 plus 48 plus 55. 55 is also another formula. So I use two formulas. So we're going to get 141. 141, which means our banker today is 41. Am I clear on that? Our banker today is 41. Okay. And then if you say 1 plus 41, you get 42. 1 minus that is 40. So you know what they do? They pick the biggest number, and then it gives them what? A banker, which is 41. Or, because 4 has dropped, so there's no way that they can split that number. So you see, it's 41 is the banker for today lunchtime. Okay. Both UK and Betway, me, I just use these numbers, these results to make these draws, both of them. I don't have to go into detail like Betway and UK. No, it's just one thing. Okay, and then we go to the bottom one. We're doing both tea and lunch. Going to say 33 plus 43 plus 55. What do we get there? We get a 131. So which means the banker for tea is 31. The banker for lunch is what? 41. But they can trick us by the presenters and say, no, Tony is not going to, for example, if it was Tony presenting, they say, no, Tony is sick, he's going to come on T. Now we are already dead. So I prefer you guys to use both 31 and 41 as your proper bankers for today. There's something that I haven't done that I just need to do quickly. I forgot to go to the calculator. What's that? What was that? Sorry, there's something that I skipped. Okay, so I'm going to say 31 drop, 21 there. Okay, so let me see. I just have to do this quickly. 18. Okay, so our bonus should be from 11 to 18. Okay, so this is what is going to happen, guys. Now we are having our bankers as 41 and 31. So our bonuses, they'll range from 11 to 18. So do you see what you can do? For example, I just want you guys to play with Clickly Money but to make profit. For example, you say 41 and then you say 11, 41. Sorry, I've got I've got flu, guys, so don't mind about that. So it's an example of like your banker is 41 and then your bonuses is from 11 to what? To 18, which you can say 41 1 to 49, then take your bonuses 11 to 18. If you need a 2 plus bonus, which is 5,000, so I don't know, it's 8,000 or 5,000 2 plus bonus, which is something else. But I don't like playing with the bonuses because if they put the bonus inside, then you're dead. And then they take this 49, they put it outside. I'm avoiding this kind of congestion. So yeah, this is what it is, guys. I think I am done, and I think this is what it is. It's almost month end. We're approaching December. We're going to fight and try to make some money. Okay, so another number that is supposed to come. We see 21 came, 17 came. So we are left with 19 and 15. So that's why I'm saying our bonuses can be between 11 to 18. I know why, because there's something that I always check, especially when 17 and 21 drop. I know that 15, 19 they'll drop, maybe on the bonus side, then 41 can be inside. Or if it's Helen playing, she can say 41. Then she's killing people there, because everyone will play 41, then they, oh okay, these guys are trying to trick us, then they'll put 40 and the 1 there, and then we dead. You see. So yeah, guys, this is what it is. I'm going to leave a link of the comment. Let me say, I'm going to leave a link in that comment. The first comment of this video, you'll see there's a link. If you're interested in getting the books, I'm not only doing UK Fortnite book, it's an ebook which is PDF form, which you can purchase like all over the world. You can even purchase it in Europe, you can purchase it in Africa, you can purchase it in Asia, because it's internet, it's online. I just send it to you like through WhatsApp, or you can check it, you can go buy it in our website, but there's an extra money you should pay if you're paying on the website, you understand? But if you like purchasing the book through WhatsApp, I think it is easier even for you to get it quickly. You can always print it out, because there's some people who believe in hard copies, of which is not a problem. So yeah, guys, I'll meet you on the next video. I would just want to work on make a million. Always, guys, revise about that 550 because Lotto Pay is like so much. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you.